In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to delete your Facebook account from computer. On your computer, open Facebook and log in to the account. Now click on your profile photo at the top right and click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings. Under Settings, in this left-hand menu, click on Account Center. In Account Center, tap on Personal Details and tap on Account Ownership and Control. Here, click on Deactivation or Deletion. Select the Facebook profile that you want to delete. And here, select Delete Account and click on Continue. And now we can see if you delete my Facebook account, all of this information will be permanently deleted. Now just click on Continue. And before delete, select a reason why you want to delete your Facebook account. So in my case, I'm just selecting this reason, for example, and clicking on Continue. And now just click on Continue and your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. Thanks for watching.